Hello and welcome to the programming course in finance on the Financial Frontier channel. As part of our tutorial, we're going to install RStudio and R programming language on our computer as an initial tool for our discovery of finance. In order to do so, we can go to the website posit.co and first of all install R programming language on our computer. To do so, we're going to click download and install R on our computer. You're going to be transferred to the cranrstudio.com website where you can choose the corresponding version based on your operation system. Linux, macOS or Windows. Because I have Windows operating system, I'm going to click download R for Windows. Next, I'm going to click install R for the first time when it's the initial installation. Finally, I'm going to click download R 4.31 for Windows. Based on the version, time when you download it, you're going to face a different version, which is most up to date. As soon as it's downloaded, you can press on the exe icon, click yes, choose the corresponding language, click next, tick corresponding boxes, click next, choose the standard default installation, choose R to be represented in the folder, save as a standard version, and install it. I'm going to press cancel because I already have R on my computer. Next, we're going to go back to the posit.co website and click download RStudio desktop for Windows. RStudio is an IDE that's going to run our programming language on our computer. As soon as it's downloaded, we can click on the corresponding exe icon. Click yes. Next, install. I'm going to press cancel because I already have it on my computer. As soon as it's installed, you can click on the RStudio icon on your computer, either in the toolbar or in the desktop. RStudio is going to open up in seconds and show you the initial screen. On the left side, you're going to see the console. You can type the corresponding code in this area. On the right side, you're going to see the environment. In the environment, you will be able to observe your dataset and see corresponding regression. It possesses all the necessary objects that we are going to manipulate using the programming languages in the left side. This was the initial introduction to download R and RStudio on your desktop. We're going to use and focus on them in our future videos. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share with your friends.